Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to charge BMW X7 Key only way. First, remove the mechanical key from the fob and place the fob on a clean surface. Next, use a small flat tool to pry open the battery compartment gently at the designated slot, exposing the internal contacts. Carefully check the contact points and battery orientation before proceeding to the charging or replacement step to avoid damage. Start by identifying the internal charging contact inside the fob and clean it with a soft cloth if needed. Connect a specialized contact charger or a low-current bench charger matched to the fob voltage, ensuring polarity is correct. Charge only at the recommended current for a short interval, then disconnect and recheck the battery voltage. Reassemble the fob, test remote locking and start authorization, and repeat cleaning if signals remain weak. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and like to support more simple car tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It even navigates around car chargers and wet footprints with voice control for hands-free cleanup. I use it to keep the entryway and garage tidy between detailing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If the key still does not respond after charging, open the housing again and inspect the transponder module and antenna traces for damage. Try cleaning all contact surfaces and recharging for a second short cycle, then attempt pairing by using the mechanical key in the driver door lock. If problems persist, professional diagnostics can test internal circuits and reprogram the key to your vehicle for reliable results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.